Hello everybody, you can call me Hunch, and I made a sweet video about Space, SPCE, that's Virgin Galactic stock the other day. It's doing pretty well in views for being such a small YouTuber. And I thought I'd do a follow-up video real quick. So I did it almost like perfect timing. It was like two days ago or something like that. And it has just like kind of rocketed since. I mean, it could be up 50%. I haven't calculated the exact gain that I'm up, but it's actually pretty crazy how much it's gone up. And even though there was some bad news in there, right, I said, forget about that. What are the fundamentals? So let's jump on in. In case you were wondering, this is the video. I made it 1 day ago, actually. So it's up a lot since then. But I basically did this fundamental analysis. You know, space is on the frontier. I'm just kidding. I didn't say that, but I should have. That was good. But to recap, I said, you know, this is going to open up the world, kind of like my favorite technology, Bitcoin, is going to break down borders, something that we need. And it's a luxury brand, right? So it's going to kind of surpass the JetBlues, the Southwests, all that, right? So it's almost like everything packed in one, right? It's a luxury brand. It's an experience. There's just so many things that I think the market cap should be higher than it is, that I think I will continue to buy it over the next year. And it's probably a long-term hold if what they say is happening is going to happen. So to dive deeper into the fundamentals real quick. So here it is. Space tourism is on track for Q2. Okay, so that I assume means they will be sending up paying customers, which is good because you need that publicity. You need to get in the public eye. You need to show that this is safe. This is a reliable company. Now, what does that mean for us? It's a huge risk, right? These rockets could pose huge safety concerns for the people partaking in them. I don't foresee that happening, but let's all hope that they are safe. Because this is kind of a new way of travel, right? And I knew an airline pilot, and he said, you know, all the safety features you see on planes now, right, are paid for in, you know, pretty serious accidents. So let's pray that everything is good. We've learned our lessons from the past. Let's do a quick chart review. So let me make myself a little bit smaller. And here it is. So what I foresee probably happening, right, is it going up after hours like it did. It might have a small pullback to form a cup and handle here, which is what I always see in these charts. So once it forms a cup and handle, if it retests and it doesn't break through, then it's going back down. But if it retests and goes up, that's when I would continue buying if you're a trader, or continue longing. If it gets to here, it breaks down, there's something to confirm that there's some negative headline or something, then it's, you know, then short it or whatever. But I'm not a trader. I'm a long-term investor. Don't follow me if you're a trader, even though I may become a better trader in the future. I've always been an advocate for fundamentals, long-term investing companies that I think, and assets that are going to enhance human civilization, right? A good example of that is when I used to think Facebook was good for civilization. It kind of had a breakdown. I sold out, even though I could have made a lot more money. I may still make good money, but maybe Facebook is coming around. I don't know. I haven't followed them since, but that's a perfect example. I'm not talking about ESG. I'm not talking about anything like this. But this one is a perfect example because we're advancing human civilization. We're making the world more open, you know, flights significantly faster, cheaper, I think, in the long run, right? So this is a great stock. And to review, I think it's rocketing even higher after hours, right? You can see that here because those flights are confirmed, right? Which is great news. Let's see. That'd be interesting to see the 1 day chart. So a day ago, the bottom was at 426, and after hours, it's at 558. So that's a lot. Anyway, you could call me Hunch. This is my update. Let's get it.